Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission NET Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to discuss a very important question of mathematical physics. And this question has been asked in the CSIR NET 2020 exam. So this is a question from Green's function topic. And I hope that when I'm going to discuss this question, every concept involved in this question and everything about the answer steps will get clear to all of you. But still, after the discussion part, if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can let me know about it and we will talk about all those points. Okay, now let's talk about the most important question which we are gonna cover in this session today. So guys, here I will let you know about all these steps and everything. So keep on watching this video till the end so that you will not miss any important point which I will discuss in this video today. Also guys, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video and click on the bell icon too so that you will be able to get the notifications regarding the new videos which I will upload on this channel, that is Mission NET Physics Exam. Now let's quickly start the discussion. So this is the question which has been asked in the CSIR NET 2020 exam. Now the question is the Green's function for the differential equation, that is d2x upon dt square plus x is equal to ft. Okay, this information has been given. Now what is the thing we can observe from this part of the question till this point? Since this is a question from the Green's function concept, how you can get it? It is clearly mentioned in the question, Green's function. Okay, we know what is this Green's function. It is just gonna be a function which helps us to solve the non-homogeneous second order differential equation. Okay, so here we can say, see, it is second order non-homogeneous differential equation given to us because the right hand side is non-zero here. Okay, so this part is clear till this point. Now let's talk about the further points mentioned in the question. Satisfying the initial conditions x at t is equal to 0 as well as dx by dt at t is equal to 0 is also equal to 0. Okay, the boundary conditions play a very important role in the Green's function based question. So we are having the boundary conditions given here as well. Is gt tau, okay, g which is a function of t and tau. So this is the Green's function. The Green's function for the differential equation, this one satisfying the initial conditions, these two, is this is the Green's function given here. Okay, and as we know, we write the Green's function for two different range, as one has been mentioned for t less than tau and the another one has been mentioned for t greater than tau. So I hope till this point everything will be clear to everyone. Next point, the solution of the differential equation when the source ft is equal to theta t. Okay, the solution of the differential equation we need to find when the source, that is ft, is equal to theta t here. The Heaviside step function, what is this theta t here or this function here? That is Heaviside step function. Now what is that function? I will tell you. Now basically here they are not asking us to find the Green's function. Normally in the previous years, the other questions related to the Green's function, what they have asked there, they have asked about the Green's function itself. But here they are not asking about that. They are asking about the solution of the differential equation in general. So what are the steps in any such case you will have to take so that you will be able to get the right answer? Let's talk about them. So basically guys, here what you will have to do, you will have to use a formula. What is that formula? Let me just tell you about it. I hope that the complete question and everything about the question is clear to every one of you. Whenever you know about the Green's function, you need to do one thing. You need to use the formula I'm going to tell you now. What is that formula? The limit from a1 to a2, or if you want, you can write the limits as a to b. Okay, I'm writing a1 to a2, or if you want, you can even write the limits as a to b. The Green's function value, okay, and Green's function generally we are gonna have t comma t dash, x comma x dash, whatever has been mentioned. You can mention that thing here. Done? And the function's value at the reference point. What is the reference point? Generally when they give us x comma x dash, so x dash is the reference point. When they give us x comma x naught, So x naught is the reference point. That's how you need to mention this function's value here, or you can say it is just the non-homogeneous part function. I will show you which one is that. And similarly here dt dash. What is this t dash again? This is the same t dash reference point I am writing here. Done. Now what is this t dash or ft? So basically the ft is this right hand side part, which makes the equation non-homogeneous. Okay, that is the ft dash I have mentioned in that formula. What is t dash there? That is a reference point. Like here you can see gt comma tau. Tau has been mentioned. So instead of taking the t dash here, you will have to take tau. Also you can see the value of t with respect to what they are considering, tau. Okay, so tau is the reference point, or in general t is actually present here. So t is not a reference point, t is the actual variable there. Done. So reference point, that's how you will get to know about it. Now what is ft? Okay, because you will have to consider that. So ft is just the Heaviside function. Now what is this Heaviside step function? We need to know about that point here too. If I'm going to talk about the Heaviside step function, that is, see here as per the name of this function even you can understand it. And what is that? If let's say this is the t-axis, okay, and this is the function's value at t, clear? And here you need to observe when they are saying ft is equal to theta t. Ft is equal to what has been given to you? Ft is equal to theta t. So here you can write it as t minus 0. So whatever point will be subtracted now, you can just equate this one with 0. What value of t will get from here? That will be 0. Clear? So t is equal to 0 is a point after which you will have to take a step. And that step will be like, let's say, before t is equal to 0, the value of the function is what? Let's say that is 0. Okay? And then after t is equal to 0 or from t is equal to 0, the value of the function will be what? It will be 1. Clear? And that's why we are calling it a step function. A step function means what? Here you have taken just one single step like this and it will remain same. There will be no other step. Clear? And that's why this is what a step function. Otherwise, if you will have, let's say here, something like 2 written, 1 written or something like that. So you will say from t is equal to 2, this step will be taken and the function's value will become 1 completely at t is equal to 2. So then the changes will start taking place from here, not from the 0. But right now, as per our question, it will take place from 0 itself. Okay, I hope it will be clear to everyone now. So this is what we mean by the Heaviside step function. Now next point. Since here the function's value from 0, it's starting to become 1. Clear? So what we will do now? So first of all, this is the formula which will give you the solution of the given non-homogeneous second order differential equation. What are the limits you will put and what are the values you will put here? Let's talk about that. And exactly as per our question, what are the parameters we will have to consider? So let's talk about that thing. As we have already checked, the reference point is tau, not t here. So I will make the changes here. Clear? Now this is the solution finally we will get. Another thing is what is Green's function value, because Green's function is gonna have 2 different values in the different limits. So I will have to consider them accordingly. But before that, in this integration, you will have to put the limits for what? For t or for tau? For tau. Because you can see here, it has been mentioned, the limits will be for this particular parameter, that is tau. So in this case, if you are going to observe this one, look at this. Here, tau is what? Tau is less than t, which means I can take the range either, you can say 0 to t. Okay, 0 to t. So here the range will start from where? 0 and then will end to t. But in the next limit, if I'm going to talk about this one, you can even write it in this way, that is tau is greater than t, which means tau value is greater than t, which means t to infinity. Clear? So 0 to t and t to infinity for the tau range. So what you will do, you are gonna put the limits now and accordingly put the value of the function, that is Green's function. The another thing is the f tau value here, which you have to put at this place. The f tau is gonna have the two different values. What are these values? Before 0, the value of the function is what? 0. After 0, that means in the 0 to t range, you will have the value of the function 1. Clear? So if I'm gonna split the limits in this manner, that is 0 to, what was the limit? The upper limit we were writing, it was t. 0 to t, okay, what is the value of the function which has been given? 0 to t, for this one, you are going to have sine t minus tau. So sine t minus tau. D tau, because the function's value there in the 0 to t range, it will be 1, plus t to infinity, what is the value of Green's function there as per the question? 0. So 0 t tau, what it will be? It will be 0 itself. So like this is not gonna give you any value, but you will have to solve this integration right now. To integrate it properly, what you can do, you can consider t minus tau is equal to what? Let's say we are gonna consider it q, okay? Then in that case, what will happen? You will get minus d tau is equal to dq. Clear? Or you can say d tau is equal to minus dq. Also, if I'm going to talk about the limits, what will happen in this case? When you will put tau is equal to 0, the q value at tau is equal to 0, the q will be what? It will be equal to t. Okay, q is equal to t. And at tau is equal to t, the value of q will be what? 0. So tau is equal to t, q is equal to 0. When you are going to put the limits, you will get t to 0 sine q dq with a negative sign, because d tau value you need to put, it will be minus dq. Clear? Next point. If I'm going to integrate it further, I can even make the changes in the limits of integration after removing the minus sign. So I will be able to get t to 0 to t. If I am removing the minus sign, I will have to convert the limits, or upper limit I will write as lower and the lower limit I will write as upper limit. So it's gonna be 0 to t sine q dq. Okay, now integrate. The integration of sine q will be minus cos q and the limits 0 to t. Apply the upper limit first, it will give you cos t, minus and minus will become plus cos 0. You will get 1. So 1 minus cos t is the final answer. This is how you are going to get the answer for this question or any such similar type of question. So the main thing in this question was this particular formula. Okay, if you know about it, you can simplify any such question and it will be easy for you to solve it as well. So the right answer will be option C, which is 1 minus cos t. Clear? So guys, this was the discussion about this Green's function question, and I hope everything will be clear to all of you. If there will be any doubt anybody will have, you can let me know about it. And if everything clear, that's very good. Let me just tell you about one thing here. Guys, as you all know that on Unacademy Plus, many important courses are going on for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exams preparation. So if you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription to attend the more regular live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparations, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. But here is one new thing, that is iconic subscription, in which you will get more benefits and you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exams. So whenever you are going to take the iconic subscription or plus subscription, I'm going to tell you about the iconic subscription, how it will work and what are the benefits you will get in that. But before that, if you are going to take the subscription, let's say the plus subscription right now, and you later on want to upgrade your subscription to the iconic one, you will easily be able to do that. Or if you directly want to take the iconic subscription, that's good, you can go for it. So you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. As mentioned here, no space in between. Spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. And you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now, what is the Iconic subscription and what are the benefits you will get if you will take the Iconic subscription? Let's talk about it. So guys, here we are gonna have everything about the Iconic subscription. So this is Unacademy Iconic subscription, CSIR UGC NET category. Okay, now see, so as per a research, 70% of students struggle with the strategy and the consistency thing. That is, what should be the strategy for the exam, how they should prepare, how many hours they need to devote in a day, and many different type of questions students are gonna have in their mind. Clear? And 55% more chances of cracking the exam with expert guidance. Okay, so that means if you are having some chances of cracking or clearing any exam, then in that case, with the experts guidance, it will increase by this much percentage. Clear? Now this is as per a research. So now what is stopping you, okay, from cracking it? So here are a few things mentioned. I'm just going to show you the slide. Just a second. Are you facing any trouble in approaching subjects and making the right preparation strategy? Are you facing difficulties in brushing up on core subjects or core concepts? Are you facing problems in solving questions within a stipulated time? Or are you facing challenges in making a study plan and sticking to it? Clear? Now next one. So we got you covered introducing the CSIR UGC NET Iconic subscription. Okay, now what will be the benefits you will get in this subscription, or if you will take the Iconic subscription? So guys, there will be a personal coach allotted to the learners in the Iconic subscription. Customized study plan will be there, okay, which will be provided to the learners. Unlimited practice sets will be there, available for the learners. Structured schedule will be there. Preparatory study material will be available to the learners. Personalized doubt clearing sessions will be there. That means, like, if you are having some doubts, you can ask about your doubts to the experts or the personal coach or to the educators. This will be the facility you will get. Okay, now booster sessions and workshops, all benefits of Plus. Like, if somebody is gonna have the Plus subscription, whatever benefits they are gonna get, you will even get those benefits. SOP and interview preparation will be there. Clear? You will be able to do that with the Iconic subscription. What is an Iconic subscription? This is a mentorship program designed to provide a structured assessment and analysis of your performance, thereby helping you identify and address the gaps in your preparation. Clear? Assessment and analysis, clear roadmap for preparation, reduction in roadblocks, and establishing command over core subjects. So that's what you are gonna get. Clear? And personal coach and everything, like all the details have been mentioned here. So in this case, like, let's say if somebody is gonna take the Iconic subscription, even if at night, at any point of time, they are gonna have some doubts, okay, or early morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, at night, 1 o'clock, so they will be able to ask their doubts to the personal coach. They will be allotted. Clear? So if anybody will take the Iconic subscription, they will be allotted, like they will get a personal coach, okay, allotted to them, and then they will be able to ask their doubts to the personal coaches, like, easily at any point of time. And the other thing, like, some of the points have been mentioned here, you can even check them out. The study tracker and the review, okay, so about that everything has been mentioned here, you can even check that. And study booster workshops will be there, okay, and like all these things in the study booster workshops, what will happen? See, experts will host regular workshops to help learners gain clarity on all the aspects of the exam and tackle every difficulty with confidence. Clear? And similarly, here are a few more things, that is preparatory study material. This will be the study material which you will get, in which every required thing will be there, okay, so that every topic, every concept will get covered with this study material, okay. and even some of the things about that has been mentioned here. Personalized doubt clearing session you will get if you will take the Iconic subscription, and then SOP and interview preparation, okay, you will be able to do. So something about that has been mentioned here. So guys, many benefits are there in the Iconic subscription. If you think you want the guidance, you want to take the Iconic subscription, or you want to take the Plus subscription, both are available, okay, but in the Iconic subscription many more benefits you will be able to get. So you can decide and you can take the subscription accordingly, okay. And whenever you are going to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. Clear? And by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And all these things together will surely help you to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE Physics exam preparation. So guys, I hope that everything will be clear to all of you. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.